Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for me to share my 6 nail polishes from the new Essie Winter collection. It isn't like super new anymore, I just bought them. I think it was somewhere in October or something like that, but they are just so shimmery, so frosty and just really gorgeous that I didn't want to skip on sharing these with you guys. As you guys know, I do have a ton of other Essie collections like the spring, the summer, the midsummer and the fall collection by Essie from 2020 as well that I will still be sharing with you guys in separate videos. But because winter is just around the corner, I definitely just wanted to share these first, and these are still available as well. The other collections will also still be available, but I think the chances are higher to find them online at just some like local web stores and stuff like that, because I also got mine at a local Dutch makeup web store. So yeah, I am definitely sure you can still find all of them, maybe even some with discounted prices. But yeah, I actually paid €9.95 a bottle for these, so these aren't super inexpensive, but in my opinion definitely worth the price. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. For the sake of the video and my own nails, I just had a really long work week. I am going to swatch these 6 colors on a cut out piece of a nail wheel just to not make this video super long, and I actually didn't have enough time to record this for like a longer period of time. You know, I work full-time and I really want to have just a little bit of spare time in my weekend as well, and that's pretty much the reason why I tend to swatch collections that are bigger than 5 colors on nail wheels like these. But let's just continue with this first color. Just on forehand, these colors are all quite sheer. They will definitely need 2 to 3 coats on natural nails, especially if you have longer nails like I do. Definitely go for 3 thin layers. But the first one was a very nice, very frosty light blue, and it has a ton of golden shimmer. This second one is called Twinkle in Time, and it is kind of like a nudish off-white kind of base. Once again, very sheer but packed with golden like shimmer and glitter. It's not like super gritty glitter, if you know what I mean, but it is a very lovely color. Like the first 3 colors on this nail wheel looked quite similar, but you will definitely notice a difference once you have built up these colors with 2 to 3 coats. I am only going to share 2 coats in this particular video. Once again, I didn't have enough time to record, but I do know that a lot of you will actually only apply 2 coats, especially if you have a shorter natural nails. This third color is called Bonbon Nuit, and it is just a lovely color. Once again, that same golden lusciousness in there, but this time it is in a very light pink base, which you will see on my swatch as well. As I mentioned, the first 3 are quite similar with the same like shimmer in there, but you can definitely see that this third coat has more of like a pinkish undertone. Then for me personally, this beautiful red one is the showstopper in this particular collection. It is so gorgeous, so Christmassy, and I pretty much love it. This one is called In a Ginger Snap, and it is just a perfect Christmassy nail polish. It is so lush and just very, I don't know, it just screams Christmas. I don't know. It is just gorgeous, and I personally really love the holiday season as well, so I can't wait to do some cute nail art designs with this color. As you can see here, it is still quite sheer and it has a little bit of like a pinkish undertone as well, but once you have built up this color with a couple of coats, you will see it becomes a little bit more red with each coat that you will apply. Then the 5th color out of this 6-piece collection is a very like light green color. It does have, once again, that same lovely like golden shimmer to it. This one is called Peppermint Condition. I have to mention, like, the names of these polishes are really cute and very well thought of. I think it really just screams winter collection even more and just holiday season proof. But yeah, once again, it is very sheer. I was already like seeing some swatches of other like nail artists and YouTubers and stuff like that online, but a lot of them have like way shorter nails than I do, or they have artificial nails, so the swatches are always a little bit different on that as well. So I was already kind of scared that these would be quite sheer and you definitely have to build them up. Like, for me, I don't really dislike that, but I definitely want my polishes to be able to be built up to full like opacity. So yeah, I'm pretty curious to know how these will look on my own natural nails, so I am planning on doing some nail art of the week videos with these colors as well, because they're just so pretty and so shimmery that I want to share these with you guys. This next color is called Sugar Plum Fairy Tale, and this one has more of like a pinkish base. It's a little bit more of like a deeper pink than the third color. But yeah, I'm already going in with the second coat just to build up the color a little bit, because I wasn't too like enthusiastic about that first coat yet, just because they are so sheer, you know. I'm quite repetitive in this video, but yeah, I don't know, I'm like really loving this collection when I'm seeing the colors in the bottle. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just a little bit torn because I really want to love it, and some of the colors are definitely my favorites, just like this beautiful reddish one. I think that is a gorgeous stone, but I just feel like some of the colors, like swatch wise, are a little bit too similar. But the colors are pretty decent, so if you are just looking into getting a couple of these colors instead of the entire collection, I would definitely go for the last 3 tones, as well as the second one with the light-ish base, like the off-white base. I think that one is really pretty, but that last one is definitely like such a sweet color. It is so pretty. I definitely love the reddish tone and the 6th color. Yeah, I don't know, they're just a little bit too similar. I really want to love this collection because I love winter collections and Christmassy collections. But yeah, personally, I would just recommend to just get a few and not all of them, because they are quite pricey with almost 10 euros a bottle. But I definitely love the way they look. They're definitely eye-catching if I have them on my work desk. And yeah, that is pretty much it. The brush is just very recognizable for Essie. It is quite a wide brush, which is something that I like. So yeah, do let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan of these colors. Maybe you have some yourself, and which one is your favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.